Hey guys, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Last year when I did an art show, an in-person event, I had a really difficult time trying to figure out how to put price tags on my items. Because if you make mini albums or any kind of paper crafts, anything like that, you can't really stick a price tag on them, but you want them to be visible. So last year I bought a bunch of little price tags on Amazon with strings, and I put them on the mini albums. But what I found is they were getting lost inside the book as people were flipping through the albums, so it didn't work out for me. So the other day I was at the Dollar Tree looking for some items, and I found something that I think is going to be the perfect solution to being able to put price tags on my items. So if you're interested in this, stay tuned. So this is what I found at the Dollar Tree. Little chalkboards, well, they call them chalkboards, little mini chalkboards on clothespins. You get 4 for $1.25 because the Dollar Tree is no longer a dollar store, it's a $1.25 store. Inflation hits them too, I suppose. So it's a little piece of wood on a clothespin. And so look how cute it looks on my mini album. So I just think this is the perfect way to have your price tags be safe for your products, so they're not going to damage them, but completely visible to any potential customers, because the last thing you want them doing is standing at your booth and searching for prices or having to ask you, how much is this? I personally find that annoying when I go to a store and the price is nowhere to be found, and you might miss out on a potential sale if somebody's like me and they just want to quietly browse your booth and know exactly how much your items cost. Now, if you don't find these at the Dollar Tree or you don't have a Dollar Tree near you, I thought these would be super easy to make and very inexpensive, because you want to keep your costs down. Things really start to add up. So what I did was I took my die cutting machine and I just cut a smaller one in black and a larger one in white. I'm going to put them together and then just take my white gel pen, put the price on here, and then I can just glue this to a wooden clothespin. Easy peasy, inexpensive, economical, and won't drive your costs way up for your in-person event. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick tip. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, because it helps to show my video to other people, and it would really help me out a lot. Okay, stay tuned for more in the Craft Fair series, and I'll see you soon. Bye.